1. Impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. The saying, impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools, carries a powerful message about belief and determination in life. By analyzing each part of the sentence, we can gain a deeper understanding of its meaning and the message it aims to convey. Impossible is the subject of the sentence, referring to the concept of something that cannot be achieved or accomplished. Is a word affirms that impossible is simply a word in the dictionary. To be found indicates the action of finding this word. Finally, only in the dictionary of fools emphasizes that the word impossible only appears in the mindset of those who lack determination and belief in their abilities. This saying conveys that the concept of impossible only exists in the minds of the foolish, or in other words, those who lack thought and steadfast willpower. Intelligent and persistent people do not accept this limitation and always find ways to overcome all challenges to achieve their goals. Through this saying, we receive a valuable lesson about having a positive attitude in life. We need to believe in ourselves, in our abilities, and never let the concept of impossible hinder our progress. Whenever facing difficulties, remember that successful people never consider impossible as an option. They always find ways to turn seemingly impossible things into reality. Conclusion. The saying, impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools, encourages us to think positively, believe in our abilities, and not accept the limitations of impossible. This is a valuable reminder that we can overcome any difficulty if we have faith and determination. 2. Courage isn't having the strength to go on, it is going on when you don't have strength. The statement, courage isn't having the strength to go on, it is going on when you don't have strength, speaks to the essence of true bravery and resilience. It suggests that real courage is not about possessing an abundance of physical or emotional strength. Instead, it lies in the ability to persist and continue forward even when one feels weak, exhausted, or overwhelmed. This perspective on courage highlights the inner resolve and determination that people draw upon in times of adversity. It recognizes that everyone faces moments of doubt and fatigue, but those who embody true courage find a way to push through despite these challenges. This kind of courage is driven by a deep sense of purpose, commitment, and an unwavering belief in oneself or in the cause they are pursuing. The statement also emphasizes the distinction between superficial displays of strength and the deeper, more profound manifestation of courage. It's easy to appear strong when everything is going well, but the true test of character comes when circumstances are tough. In these moments, courage becomes an act of defiance against despair and an assertion of willpower and resolve. Overall, this quote from Napoleon underscores the notion that courage is not about never feeling weak, it's about choosing to act and move forward in spite of that weakness. It celebrates the quiet, often unseen acts of perseverance that define true bravery. 3. History is the version of past events that people have decided to agree upon. The statement, history is the version of past events that people have decided to agree upon, underscores the idea that history is not an objective recounting of events, but rather a subjective interpretation shaped by collective agreement. This suggests that what we accept as historical truth is often influenced by the perspectives, biases, and interests of those who record and interpret it. Historical narratives are constructed by historians, scholars, and society at large, who select which events to highlight, which perspectives to emphasize, and which details to omit. This process inherently involves a degree of subjectivity, as different groups and individuals may have varying interpretations of the same events based on their cultural, political, or social contexts. Consequently, the agreed-upon version of history reflects a consensus that is shaped by dominant power structures and prevailing ideologies. This statement also implies that history is dynamic and can be reinterpreted as new information comes to light or as societal values change. What is considered historical truth in one era may be reassessed and revised in another, reflecting the evolving nature of collective memory and understanding. Ultimately, this perspective on history highlights the importance of critical thinking and the need to question and analyze historical narratives. It encourages an awareness of the potential biases and influences that shape our understanding of the past, reminding us that history is not a fixed and immutable record, but a complex and continually evolving discourse. 4. A leader is a dealer in hope. The statement, "A leader is a dealer in hope," encapsulates the idea that one of the most crucial roles of a leader is to inspire and instill hope in others. This perspective views leadership not just as a function of directing and managing, but fundamentally as a role centered on uplifting and motivating people. Hope is a powerful force that can drive individuals and groups to persevere through challenges and work towards a better future. By being a dealer in hope, a leader provides a vision that inspires confidence and optimism, even in difficult times. This ability to foster hope is essential for maintaining morale, encouraging effort, and sustaining the commitment of a team or community. In this context, effective leadership involves more than strategic thinking or decision-making skills. It requires emotional intelligence, empathy, and the capacity to connect with people on a personal level. Leaders who can convey hope can transform obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones, guiding their followers through uncertainty with a sense of purpose and possibility. Moreover, this statement suggests that the true measure of a leader's impact lies in their ability to elevate others' spirits and aspirations. A leader who deals in hope builds trust and loyalty, as people are more likely to follow someone who they believe genuinely cares about their well-being and future. This kind of leadership transcends mere authority or control, resonating deeply with the human desire for meaning and progress. In essence, the statement highlights the transformative power of hope and the pivotal role leaders play in cultivating it. By being dealers in hope, leaders help shape a positive and forward-looking narrative, empowering their followers to believe in themselves and their collective potential. 5. Victory belongs to the most persevering. The statement, "Victory belongs to the most persevering," emphasizes the critical role of persistence in achieving success. It suggests that triumph is not necessarily the result of inherent talent, intelligence, or luck, but rather the outcome of consistent effort and unwavering determination. Perseverance involves the ability to endure hardships, overcome obstacles, and maintain focus on long-term goals despite setbacks and challenges. This statement implies that those who continue to push forward, even in the face of adversity, are the ones who ultimately attain victory. This perspective on success highlights the importance of resilience and grit. It underscores the idea that failure and difficulty are inevitable parts of any worthwhile endeavor, and that the key to overcoming them lies in the willingness to keep going. By valuing perseverance, the statement acknowledges that sustained effort and a refusal to give up are more significant than momentary brilliance or initial advantages. Moreover, this view of victory aligns with the notion that success is a journey rather than a destination. It celebrates the process of striving and growing, suggesting that the true measure of achievement is not just reaching the end goal, but the character and strength developed along the way. Perseverance is portrayed as a fundamental quality that enables individuals to navigate the complexities and uncertainties of life, transforming potential failures into steps toward ultimate success. In essence, the statement encapsulates the belief that perseverance is the defining factor in achieving victory. It serves as a reminder that success is often a product of persistent effort and determination, encouraging individuals to remain steadfast in their pursuits and resilient in the face of challenges.